Ivanki reached out to me to have an honest review of their Fusion Dock Pro 1 Plus. After having tested it out for a week, here's what I honestly think about it. Coming in the box is the docking station itself, the power adapter with its AC power cord, the USB-C cable that connects to your laptop or MacBook, and the user manual and a FAQ card. The Fusion Dock Pro 1 Plus offers an impressive array of connectivity options, starting with the front panel, which includes a 20-watt USB-C power delivery port that doubles as a 10 gigabit data port, perfect for quickly charging devices like an iPhone or your iPad. There are also 2 gigabit Type A USB-C ports for high-speed data transfers, as well as micro SD and SD card slot for convenient access to photo and video files. A 3.5mm audio jack for both microphone and headset functions adds an extra layer of versatility. On the back, the DC input powers both the dock and your laptop, with a 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet port for fast wired internet. Additionally, the back panel includes extra 10 gigabit per second USB Type-A ports and 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, allowing support for up to 3 monitors depending on your device's compatibility using DisplayLink technology. While this dock packs a lot of functionality, it lacks a DisplayPort option for added connectivity variety and doesn't feature Thunderbolt 4. Priced around €280, which places it on the higher end for docking stations, it's only natural to expect robust connectivity features at this level. However, given the price point, it would be reasonable to also anticipate Thunderbolt 4 functionality, as several other brands include this feature in similar price ranges. The build quality feels premium, while Ivanki opting for a mostly metal construction. The top showcases the Ivanki logo with a sleek brushed aluminum finish, while the sides feature a stylish anodized navy blue color aluminum, giving the dock a solid and high-end feel. Although Ivanki markets this docking station specifically for MacBooks, I was pleasantly surprised to find that it also works with my Windows laptop. However, since it's designed with Mac compatibility in mind, there is a chance I could encounter driver or compatibility issues on Windows, as I'm not entirely sure what differentiates Mac exclusive features in these type of products.